Welcome to Action Item 2. In this action item, we will first do some preparation work. Then, we will start debugging. Take a minute to go to the Visual Studio. Go to File, select the project solution, and open the solution file. In the drop-down menu, please make sure you select Exercise 3. To be able to inspect the data before and after each execution, we recommend you to run 2 PySystem Explorer sessions side by side. For the one on the left-hand side, make sure you connect to the source, which is Central.py. For the one on the right-hand side, make sure you connect to the destination, which is Site05. Because we are dealing with element templates, we further suggest you focusing on the library and element templates. In this test, you will import a template as new. You will select the source AF server and database as Central.py and turbine efficiency. Select destination server and database as Site05 and turbine efficiency. Then you will import the steam turbine node-derived elements from the source to the destination. If you take a look at the element templates in Central.py, then you will find a steam turbine node-derived elements template. However, if you take a look at the element templates inside Site05, this template does not exist. Therefore, you will import to Site05 as new. Let's go back to Exercise.3.cs file. The most important function is perform import. First, it will get the destination element template by calling get dest.elt. Expand get dest.elt function. You can see all it does is to get a collection of the element templates that has the source element template name. Go back to the perform import function. If the dest.elt obtained from get dest.elt is not known, that means a template with the same name already exists. and you will need to perform an update. If the test ELT is null, that means a template does not exist. You will need to import as new. Go to the definition of the import ELT as new function. As mentioned before, it is a two-in-one function. It will first call the getELT export function. The getELT export function will essentially perform export XML. Let's go back to the import ELT as new function and move forward. Then the function will perform import XML. With the automatic checking option and allowed create option. Start exercise 3 in debug mode. Make the following choices. Let's start exercise 3 in debug mode. Select Central Pi as the source AF server. Select turbine efficiency as the source database. Select the steam turbine no derived elements as the element template you want to export. Select the destination you want to import the template you just export. Select the destination database, turbine efficiency. Check very carefully if the information is correct. Source and destination. If it is correct, press Y to confirm. After the export and import is completed, let's go to the Pi System Explorers to check the updates. In Pi System Explorer, Site 05. Now you can see that the steam turbine no derived elements is not here yet. Click Refresh. Witness the steam turbine no derived elements is here now. You can also take a minute to check if all of the attribute templates are also imported from the source to the destination.